Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I'm going to show you or attempt to show you how to draw these three different kind of perspective things that are pretty cool to play with. So let's move these out of the way. And I'm just going to use the same text. And I'm just going to use Corel Draw again. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to make it a thicker font by making it bold. Now, if we look, I need something with my ratio lock. I want to make it 2 inches tall. Then I can change my nudge factor like 2.1. And by doing, let me move that over here, Control D, and see now my text is like right on top of each other. Okay. Now let's take this and group it together. Control G. Now let's go to the envelope tool. And I'm going to get rid of these two center nodes. I want the middle one. I'm going to go and select it all here and right click to align because we want lines. Now, to make this work a little bit better, I want to take this inner deal. See, it's like right in the middle of the text. So I'm going to start moving and hold down the control button and kind of split that text. That way, when I do my little trick with it, now I've got it set on 2 inches. I'm going to click off of it and click that one. And I'm going to move my left arrow key twice. Then I'm going to get this one. I'm going to move my right arrow key twice. And you could even go further. Let's do it one more. And to me, it kind of looks like it's setting up. You know, like the text is going like that. So we can do that. We can hit the plus key on the keyboard. And now we can take away that center dot or center node. And it makes it look like it's just going uphill. And you could even go more by reducing the top ones. And I'm just moving the arrow keys. And then the last step would be to basically turn it white. And we will put a black background on all of them now just so we can see it. And I'm going to make it black. I'm going to go to Object, Order, Back a Page. Now I need to make these first two white, so I'm going to select them. And I'm going to right-click white. Now on this one, I'm going to give it a little bit of, like it's kind of going into the obelisk. So it's still grouped together. I'm going to grab my interactive fill tool and I'm going to start right there at the bottom and just go up, straight up, get a little black. And you want to, that looks pretty good. You maybe want to see the last one a little bit more. But anyway, to me, kind of like a Star Wars start of the movie. Anyway, I hope that gave you some ideas and thank you for watching.